بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. We have here uh, Victor Benq. His model is T902 HDE. Let's power it on and see the issue. Let's power it on. No light, no sign of life. It's no power. Let's look good. We have here the distributor, big capacitor, fuse, resistor. This is the hot side and this is the cold side. We have here two voltage, 5 and 12, and the backlight, control of backlight here, control here, and double MOSFET in this is channel. Let's just try again to check the voltage. Here is the ground. Here is 5 volts. Oh, I borrowed off. Here we have 5 volt, 5 volt, 14. Okay, the 5 volt is coming here. We have here 3.3, 1.7, 1.8 for internal RAM. Here we have 5 volt. I think the 5 volt for LVDS panel power. It must be okay good. The signal of power button is okay. Let's turn it off. Let's turn it on. Let's power it off. I think that the power button faulty. And we have a sound coming from here. Don't know from the capacitor or another. Let's try to power on again. It's powered on. The isolation is not taking set good. Let's put something more. Let's connect the lamps. Let's power it on again. Turn it on. Turn it on. Turn it on by gift, not by power button. It's bad. The power button is bad. Let's see if we have a capture. And we have a capture. We have a faulty power button. Let's change it. Or clean it. Let's try clean from beginning. Change multimeter to continue mode. Here is the ground. Here is the power. Nothing. Okay, let's see if we have a peep. So the button is 40. Okay, let's change the button. This button is 40. Let's grab one. Okay, let's remove it and change it with a good one. Okay, let's clean. There is the bad one. Let's check for the last time. Here and here. We have nothing. When I press it, we have nothing. Okay, that's our one. That is the bad one, and also the good one. We don't have anything when I connect. Okay, that is the bad one. That is all one is bad. That is the good. Let's install and try. More drugs. Need more soldering. Add more soldering. Okay, we are good. Let's clean. That is the bad one. Install the front panel control. Let's make the final test. Let's make the final test. Let's power it on. Now let's click the power button. It's powered on. And we have an image. And we have an image and work it fine. No issue in the screen. Thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe and like and see the other videos. Thank you again.